Is the Corporate Transparency Act dead? You might be asking yourself this question after you've seen the whipsaw back and forth between injunction, no injunction, then injunction on the filing of the BOI reports. Well, recently the Department of Justice asked the Supreme Court to weigh in on this one and set aside the national injunction that was put in place by the Fifth Circuit. The reasoning is that they're most likely to prevail on the merits of the case when it goes to trial, and therefore there's no reason to keep this injunction in place preventing people from filing the BOI reports. So what does that mean for you? Well, the plaintiffs have until the 10th of January to respond to the DOJ's request to have the Supreme Court remove the injunction. We'll see where it goes from there. It may get cert, may actually wind up in the Supreme Court. But the fact of the matter is that the likelihood of having to file these anytime soon remains pretty low. In fact, in the recent budget fight that went on in Congress, there was an initial provision to extend the BOI reporting out another year. Now, it didn't make it into the final bill that passed for the funding of the Congress or funding of the country, but there is some speculation that in the continuing resolution that will come up this year that's most likely going to be part of that. And so the filings will be set back another year if the courts do in fact hold them to be constitutionally valid. So the question right now is, what do you need to do? Hey, nothing. Just sit back, wait and see what happens. As we learn more, we'll let you know. Take care.